Hi everyone! This is Marivil again, your real estate broker here in Cebu. So our topic for today is all about how to renew your PRC ID online. So gusto nyo bang malaman kung paano ko ni-renew yung PRC ID ko? So I have 4 steps kung paano ko ni-renew yung PRC ID ko online. So pag gusto nyo malaman, please samahan nyo ako hanggang sa dulo. So, ang una natin gagawin is open tayo ng internet browser. Kahit anong browser para maka-open tayo. So, pupunta tayo sa Chrome, tapos Google natin yung online prc.gov.ph. And then, pag na-type na natin, okay, so pag maka-ano na tayo, may lalabas na CPD compliance, tapos mayroong okay dyan. So, press mo lang yung okay. And then, may lalabas na step-by-step procedure. So, mayroon nakalagay dito na licensure exam and registration information system. So, mayroon choices sa services nila. Mayroong exam application, mayroong initial registration, mayroong renewal of license, mayroong verification. So, since mag-renew tayo ng license, but before tayo makapag-renew, i-register muna natin yung pangalan natin. Since lahat ngayon ng bago yung system ng PRC, yung kung mayroon kang sign-in before, mayroon kang account before, wala na yun. So, register tayo ng bago. Scroll mo down below, tapos mayroong I agree para makapag-register. So, sa registration, mayroon kang fill upan yung information mo, first name, yung middle name, tsaka yung last name. Yun yung i-fill up mo. Tapos maka-fill up ka na doon, mayroong, ipipress mo yung I'm not a robot. Tapos may lalabas na, mayroong lalabas na, ano ba yun? Tapos press mo lang yun, tapos register mo siya, pindutin mo yung register, and pag naka-register ka na, magsa-sign in ka sa email ad. So once i-type yung email ad, tapos mayroong password, before ka makapag-sign in, mayroon na naman si robot na i-click mo yung I'm not a robot, tapos mayroon na namang lalabas na picture, let's say yung images na bicycle, i-hover, i-click, i-check mo yan, verify, tapos tsaka ka pa lang makapag-sign in. So once mag-sign in ka na, lalabas yung additional information mo lahat. So fill upan mo yan lahat, no? Mayroong advisory na lalabas, pero proceed ka lang. So, appointment slots are free. So, proceed mo lang siya. Click mo yung proceed. Okay. So, once naka-proceed ka na, dito na yung additional information na i-edit na naman natin. Since nakapag-register na tayo ng first name, middle name, tsaka last name, yung additional information, i-edit natin. So, i-press natin yung edit. So, ito na, fill upan mo lahat. Lahat ng may kailangan fill upan lahat. Kasi hindi tayo makaproceed ng next na step pag hindi natin na-fill upan lahat. Kasi magre-read yan, no? Tapos, pag yung employment contract, pag mayroong employment mayroon ding valid ID, passport, or other information. Tapos, pagkatapos, press mo yung save information. Tapos, mayroong lalabas na you have successfully updated your profile. So, yun. Na-update mo na yung profile. But before mo ma-update yung profile, meron pang picture na natitira. So, kailangan, to avoid delay the disapproval, please follow the following. Ang photo must be 2x2 in size and plain white background. Tapos, kailangan yung photo taken more than 6 months prior to uploading, yung pinaka-recent. Tapos, applicant must wear, will not be the application will not be processed if photo does not resemble applicant. Tapos, yung naka-wear ng eyeglasses, tapos hindi white yung background. So, kailangan siya i-follow mo. So, ito yung picture ko. Tapos, i-adjust mo siya. Since naka-zoom in siya, i-zoom out mo.
Okay.
Tapos, yun, naka-save na yung picture mo. Okay, so pag na-save na siya, punta ka sa select transaction. Nagbi-blink yung select transaction. So, i-press mo siya. Alright, so pag ma-press mo na, may lalabas na yung examination, mayroong initial registration, mayroong renewal, mayroong duplicate. So, dito tayo sa renewal kasi mag-renew tayo ng ating ID, right? So, lagay na naman natin dito yung since kailangan natin yung natin, profession. So, ita-type natin. So, since I am a licensed broker, ita-type natin licensed broker. Tapos, yung PRC ID number ko, ita-type ko rin. Pagkatapos is press mo yung proceed. Tapos, mayroong notification na nagsabi, okay. Since nag-renew na ako noong March 11, 2020, hindi ko na mapapakita sa inyo ngayon yung kung ano ang laman ng form. Pero, ang laman ng form partly is mayroon kayong pagpipilian kung saan kayo magbabayad. It's either sa cashier, sa PRC, kung saan kayo pwedeng pumunta na branch, or pwede kayong pumunta sa bank. Meron silang mga accredited banks na pwede mong pupuntahan, pwede mong doon ka magbabayad. So, it's 480 lang naman pesos. Pero I don't know sa bank kung magkano, baka mayroong charge. Pero kung directly sa cashier, kung saan kayo na magbabayad na branch, 480 pesos lang talaga yung babayaran mo. No? So, since may existing transaction na po ako, for the sake of information purposes, so, press natin yung existing transaction. So, ito na, lumalabas na yung reference number ko, yung details. So, ito na yung reference number REF 2668HD8F. So, lahat ng information na nabigay ko, nandito na. So, nakalagay dito yung appointment place, saan ako magre-renew. So, dito sa Mandaue. Tapos, yung appointment, mayroong amount kung how much yung babayaran ko. Tapos, yung appointment date is March 11, 2020, between 2 to 3 p.m. So, kailangan dadating ka talaga doon before that time. Kasi pag hindi ka darating, makaka-cancel yung appointment mo. Good morning, viewers. I'm here now. I'm going to PRC for my renewal of license. Actually, kahapon nandito ako pero nakalimutan ko yung surety bond. Kaya kinuha ko siya kahapon. Tapos ngayon is kompleto na po. As per requirements, kasi nakalimutan ko yung surety bond kahapon. So, yung amount na binayaran ko is 2,000 lang. Good for 3 years. Tapos, na-notarize ko yung photocopy ng aking CPD units kasi hindi nila i-accept pag walang notarize. So, ipa-photocopy mo lang tapos ipa-notarize. Pero yung original, i-keep mo. By the way, sa hindi pa nakakaalam, ngayon, lahat ng mag-renew sa PRC is naka-online na, especially sa broker. Silang ma-accept ng book-in. Pero ngayon, hindi na pwede. Of license and ahead of your license na ma-expire, kailangan magpa-appointment ka na. So, prior to your renewal. Kasi pag hindi, baka paso yung license mo. Meron akong kakilangan lang broker na license niya is may expire February lang, pero hindi siya makakakuha ng appointment here sa Cebu. Kaya kung pa-appointment siya sa Dumaguete, so nag-travel pa siya one day para lang makapag-renew ng kanyang license. If I were you guys, 6 months pa bago ma-expire yung license nyo, magpa-appointment na kayo kaagad kasi hindi na nila tinatanggap yung walk-in pag mag-renew ka.
Okay, so this is their office and I will go inside a few minutes. PRC office, and before you can enter, you have to sign the logbook before going in. And there is an alcohol. So every counter, every place in PRC have alcohol. So they are COVID-19 compliant. After counter 3, proceed naman to counter 6. So where is the counter 6? This one, the registration section, releasing of PRC ID and board certificate. Ayaw ko, ma'am. Mag-wait pa ko, ma'am. Now it's 10:15. So I'm waiting for the releasing of my ID. Wait lang tayo kung anong oras sila matatapos. Ito muna niya. I-fill up lang. Oh, I arrived here 10:15 for the registration section, which is the releasing of PRC ID. I was amazed because just 15 minutes waiting, my ID is here already. Kudos to PRC service. Nag-improve na yung service nila. Okay. 2 thumbs up.